Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an incredible story that I personally had the honor of being a part of. It shows how innovative solutions can make all the difference in the world of real estate, especially during times like this of high mortgage interest rates. First, my friends, let's clarify what I'm talking about. A seller-paid mortgage buydown. In a nutshell, it's when the seller pays a lump sum at closing to buy down the buyer's interest rate for a certain period. This can be a lifesaver for both parties when mortgage interest rates are sky high like today. The buyer enjoys lower initial monthly payments and the seller can make their property more appealing. In August 2023, the average 30-year mortgage interest rate hits its highest level since 2000 at 7.48%. They were nearly triple when they were during the pandemic, when they reached a low of 2.65% in January 2021. They're even higher now. Meanwhile, median home prices rose for 10 consecutive quarters beginning in the fall of 2020. Only declining for 2 straight quarters to $416,100, which is still 26.4% higher than the quarter just before the pandemic. The National Association of Realtors, which I'm a part of, reported that existing home sales volume in July 2023 slipped 16.6% from the previous year, even as home prices rose to $406,700 from $399,000 a year ago. So let me help you get ahead of the curve. And here's how it works. As a concession, the seller can offer to pay discount points to the home buyer's lender to help the home buyer get a lower interest rate. This is called a seller-paid mortgage rate buydown. These discount points are typically 1% of the home buyer's loan amount, and every discount point paid reduces the mortgage interest rate by about 0.25 percentage points. So if the mortgage amount is $400,000, a discount point would be $4,000, and the monthly principal and interest payment at 7.5% would be $2,797. A seller-paid discount point would lower the interest rate to 7.25% and a monthly payment to $2,729. Over the life of the loan, the borrower would have saved $24,535 in this instance. So now let me tell you a story and introduce you to Sarah, a home seller, and Tom, a potential buyer. Sarah had been struggling to sell her home due to high mortgage rates. This is what's going on now. Tom loves the house, but he is hesitant because of those same rates. Both felt stuck, and this is where I stepped in. I suggested a creative, yet underutilized and brand new strategy to many people, to Sarah, offering a seller-paid mortgage buydown. I explained how it could be a win-win for both her and Tom. Sarah would make her home more attractive in a competitive market like it is now, and Tom would benefit from lower monthly payments for the first couple of years. You know, I can tell you, Sarah loved this idea and decided to go for it. When I presented this option to Tom, his eyes lit up. I'm telling you, he couldn't believe what he was hearing. Not only could he afford the home of his dreams, but he'd also have financial breathing room for the first 2 years. So what's the result? Sarah sold her home quickly and Tom moved into a home he loved. All thanks to a creative solution that turned a challenging situation into a win-win for everyone involved. So there you have it, my friends, a real-life story of how thinking outside the box can create amazing outcomes for both home sellers and buyers. So get ahead of the curve. If you're facing similar challenges, whether you're selling or buying, consider reaching out to me to discuss the power of a seller-paid mortgage buydown. I can tell you it could be the game changer that you've been waiting for. So if you found this story inspiring, my friends, and want more real estate tips and stories, don't forget, subscribe, hit that notification bell, And this is Rob Rosa, hopefully your favorite real estate broker. God bless, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.